Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily delete a collection on TikTok. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up TikTok app. Then hit at that profile icon to move to your profile page. On your profile page, hit at that icon and it shows you up all the content that you have saved on TikTok before. And right here, first you need to get into the collections tab. Here I got two different collections, and you can create new collection by hitting where it says create new collection. If you want to delete a collection, all you have to do is just open up that collection, then hit on that share arrow, and among that options you can just hit at delete collection. Now it asks if I really want to delete that collection. Keep in mind that your videos will still be saved at your favorites. And now in order to delete a collection, just hit at delete. That's it. I have just removed a collection. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my TikTok tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.